Welcome to the NewsRamp Industry and Manufacturing Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, eager to share today's top business stories with you. NewsRamp.com selects the latest news from leading sources, ensuring you get the most pertinent information. A quick reminder, this podcast is created with the help of AI and AI voices, but the stories we cover are entirely real. You can find the full news articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Friday evening, August 8th, 2025, and we've curated an intriguing lineup of industry and manufacturing news for you today. So whether you're in transit, at the gym, or at home, join us as we begin. Starting off with our first headline. Rock breaks, AI-driven energy demands highlight strategic value of Platinum Group Metals Ltd's NYSE American PLG PTM Waterberg project. The rise of AI-generated services is putting pressure on the global power grid, creating opportunities for Platinum Group Metals PLG PTM. Platinum is becoming essential due to data center electrification and sustainability trends. PLG's Waterberg project, a top Platinum Group metal resource, is well-positioned. As AI and data center growth strain electricity infrastructure and metal supply chains, platinum's role as a catalyst material and industrial metal is crucial. With clean power demand rising, PLG's investments align with market dynamics. Platinum Group Metals operates the Waterberg project, a palladium and platinum deposit in South Africa. For more information, visit www.platinumgroupmetals.net.
LaFleur Minerals Inc., LFLRF, with WK0, secures financing advisors, expands offerings to fund Beacon Gold Mill restart. LaFleur Minerals Inc. has secured financing advisors to raise up to $5 million Canadian dollars in debt financing through FMI Securities and FM Global Markets. The capital will be used to restart production at their fully permitted Beacon Gold Mill in Val-d'Or, Quebec. Additionally, the company has launched equity offerings that could raise over $5.4 million Canadian dollars. LaFleur's strategy focuses on near-term production at its Beacon Gold Mill, sourcing material from the Swanson Gold Deposit and surrounding projects. The company aims to take advantage of current gold prices and production-ready infrastructure to move forward with its plans. Gold makes modest gains as rate cut expectations strengthen. The price of gold surged at the start of the week following economic data that raised expectations of a Federal Reserve rate cut. U.S. gold futures rose by 0.% to 3T440 per ounce, while spot gold increased by 0.3% to 333.72 an ounce. Companies like Platinum Group Metals Ltd will be monitoring these developments closely. Mining Newswire is a specialized platform focusing on the global mining and resources sectors, offering access to a vast network of wire solutions and tailored corporate communication solutions.
Mining news breaks Silvercorp Metals Inc. as SVM, NYSE American SVM, reports Q1 Fiscal 2026 net income of $18.1 million on $81.3 million revenue. Silvercorp Metals Inc., trading on the TSX and NYSE American under the symbols SVM, reported a Q1 Fiscal 2026 net income of $18.1 million on $81.3 million in revenue. The company achieved this revenue from sales of 1.8 million ounces of silver, 1,951 ounces of gold, 15.2 million pounds of lead, and 5.2 million pounds of zinc. Silvercorp produced 1.8 million ounces of silver, 2,050 ounces of gold, 15.7 million pounds of lead, and 5.2 million pounds of zinc, totaling 2.0 million ounces of silver equivalent. The company's net income attributable to equity shareholders was $18.1 million, with adjusted net income of $21.0 million. EBITDA attributable to equity shareholders was $33.8 million, and operating cash flow reached $48.3 million, generating $22.5 million in free cash flow. Silvercorp ended the period with $377.1 million in cash and equivalents, $72.2 million in equity investments, and a $175 million stream financing commitment from Wheaton Precious Metals International Ltd. For the El Domo project.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Industry and Manufacturing Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.